Thunder, Wayne Hettinger, and his crew.
It's a hell of a place to get it started.
And that's not the old-fashioned talking. There's a definite buzz, plenty of planning.
We've got in our minds some of the people we really seriously want to talk to.
And must gets.
The A10 demo team is their final year as a demo team, so we really want those guys.
When the sun comes back up and the neon lights go dark.
All the people from air shows across the country and really throughout North America come here
to Caesar's Palace for the International Council of Air Shows convention.
Okay, guys, here it is. Let's go get them.
It's all kind of up in the air right now.
We're going to take each aisle, and anything that catches our attention, we're going to stop and start a conversation.
April 19th and 20th.
We're looking for Flash and Dash with a lot of speed.
Reps from the Blue Angels, Thunderbirds, and Golden Knights,
all of them,
are all here. Robert Dixon is the pilot of Swamp Fox, a piece of Kentucky history.
The airframe itself served the state of Kentucky through the Kentucky Air National Guard from 1953 to 1956.
He actually met Wayne and crew in Vegas years ago.
And it was here at ICAS.
And those talks continued this time around.
Pleasure doing business.
This seasoned Thunder producer doesn't excite easily. That'll happen with decades under your belt. But he was quite taken by a Skyrider.
So he's certainly on one of our picks of choice. The guy can literally spell out sentences in the sky.
So after many conversations, contracts handed out, and coming face-to-face with Maverick, show me the money! Wrong movie, Mr. Cruz. This Louisville crew is ready to kiss the steer, shenanigans, and strip goodbye.
It's been a great day for us.
But the engine is just getting warmed up.
Yeah, 4 and 5 years.
Just a couple days later, the crew is back together at the Thunder Ranch, Wayne's Louisville basement.
We all came home very excited.
Where a countdown clock shows how close what they're planning for actually is.
We do our best to strategize a little bit.
Papa John's Pizza and Diet Coke fueled the conversation, budget numbers are considered, and decisions made.
The United States Marine Corps mentioned they were going to plan on sending their Osprey demo. We've not had that here. That is an incredibly impressive aircraft.
It feels like it comes together about as fast as some of the air show planes fly.
You're nothing but a hound dog.
But it doesn't happen without close encounters with the king out west. Maybe the sign should read, fly carefully. Come back soon. In Las Vegas, with photojournalist Josh Horton, Chris Suter, WDRB News.
WDRB weather is sponsored by the Window Source of Kentucky.
Ever since air show prep started this afternoon, productivity in the office came to a screeching halt, rightfully so. To hear those jets screaming across the sky, get your adrenaline pumping. And tomorrow is the big day we've been waiting for, Thunder over Louisville. So let's break down both the air show and the fireworks. Air show at 3 o'clock, we're looking at mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies with temperatures ranging from 63 down to 61 by 6 o'clock, unlimited in terms of the air show. And that can always be a problem depending on the ceiling height. So with clouds about 10,000 feet or higher, no issues whatsoever. Those risky maneuvers definitely will put you in awe. Now, in terms of the fireworks, at 8 o'clock, we're sitting at 58. Partly cloudy for the start of the fireworks at 9:30 as temperatures cool into the middle 50s. Kind of one of those days where you have on a t-shirt and then throw a hoodie or a light jacket on once the sun does set because it gets a little cooler. By the way, that northwest wind blowing the smoke to the Kentucky side of the river just east of the 2nd Street Bridge. Now outside, the clouds this morning were kind of stubborn, but just as expected, they broke down, giving us partly cloudy skies. So if you want to step outside right now and get a basically feeling for what it's going to be like tomorrow for the air show, well, this is precisely where we'll be. Partly cloudy skies, mild temperatures, and high pressure moving in, which means both Saturday and Sunday, not a single drop of rain. There's a live look outside from our tower cam where your temperature's sitting at a lukewarm 66. The difference between today and tomorrow is that northwest breeze. It was a little stronger up there today, around 50 miles an hour, but that's drawing in the cooler along with the drier air. In each town we're sitting at 61, New Albany 66, Bardstown 60, where the clouds are still hanging on a little thicker, and then in Seymour, mostly sunny with a lukewarm temperature of 60. 63 in Hurstbourne, 67 in Sellersburg. We widen out. 50 showing up where we have more clouds to our south, and a little bit milder between Henryville and French Lick, where we're seeing more in the way of sunshine. Overnight, skies are mostly clear, and temperatures do get chilly, which means if you're going out very early tomorrow to to kind of stake your claim at the Great Lawn, well, you're going to want to layer up and also have the tarp because it's still going to be kind of soggy and waterlogged. By the afternoon, sunshine taking us into the low to mid-60s with some high clouds starting to move in late in the day, but that's not going to stop any of the fun. By Sunday, waking up at close to 40, maybe some patchy frost away from the city, with high temperatures for some, which will not make it out of the 50s. Way below average, but since it comes with no severe weather, not hearing too many complaints out there. On Monday, this is a greater candidate for some patchy frost, not so much here in Louisville, but once you get away from the urban heat island, that's where you'll see temperatures dipping down close to the 36-degree mark. So if we get some frost advisories, Monday morning is the first potential. By Monday afternoon, you're looking at temperatures in the 60s, even close to 70 by Wednesday before our next front arrives. Now, there's not a lot of moisture pooling out ahead of us, so not expecting large quantities of rain or any sort of strong storm action late Tuesday into Wednesday morning, which is a good thing. It also reinforces that cooler air. So looking forward, we have not one, but two opportunities for frost and only one day with high temperatures close to 70. Mostly clear and chilly tonight with your low temperature down to 44 degrees. Tomorrow, you're looking at a high around 64, turning partly cloudy late in the day. Looks fantastic for thunder over Louisville. And Sunday, let's say you're traveling, still below average, quiet, cool, with temperatures in the upper 50s, some making it to the low 60s with partly cloudy skies. Patchy frost Monday morning, and as we move later in the week, some storms possible Tuesday into Wednesday. Those showers do end early on Wednesday. Sun's back by the afternoon, but could see some more patchy frost again getting into Thursday morning. Friday, a couple of storms possible as we get into more of those KDF events, the balloon glow, the rush hour race happening on Friday. So a lot to look forward to, and it does look like pretty quiet weather at least through the end of next week.
It truly is the best time of year.
Nice.
Crews have been preparing for every aspect of thunder, and that includes the moment nature calls. We'll take you inside this dirty job next.
Tonight's Mega Millions jackpot is $178 million. Your toilet will be made of gold.
Oh my.
And tomorrow's Powerball jackpot, $98 million.
I'm